Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Prakash Kulkarni's Lectures. In this series of videos, we will be covering Karnataka State Syllabus, Second Language English Grammar for 10th Standard students. These videos will be examination oriented. You can study well these episodes very well. In this episode, we will understand and learn how to write a profile of a person. Tips and methodology for writing a profile. The purpose of this exercise is to check the language skills of a student. A profile is related to an eminent personality. Read the clues carefully. Study whether the profile is related to present or past situation, and accordingly use the present or past tense verbs. The clues given are not in a sentence form, so we need to write the profile in sentence form using the clues chronologically. The chronology is usually this: birth includes day, month, year, and place. Parents' names, education, career, and hobbies, achievements and awards, then death. Now let us take some examples of writing a profile. In this first one, in the question paper, question will be like this generally. Given below is a profile of Sir M. Vishweshwaraya. Write a paragraph using the clues given. Now I read the clues one by one very clearly. Name Sir M. Vishweshwaraya. Born 15 September 1860 in Muddenahalli village in Chikballapur district. Parents M. Srinivas Shastri and Venkata Lakshmamma. Education College of Engineering, Pune, 1883. Served Diwan of Mysore during the period of 1912 to 1918. Achievements as an engineer, floodgates designed and installed at Tigra Dam and Krishnaraja Sagar Dam. Award Bharat Ratna 1955. Died 12th April 1962, Bangalore. Now this is called clue. Under clues, I have already printed very boldly the words. Let me read once again the clues. Study them very carefully before you are writing a profile. Name, born, parents, education, served, achievement, award, died. Like this, generally the clues will be there in all the examples. Now let us study profile of Sir M. Vishweshwaraya. How you should write? Usually it will be in a paragraph form continuously. This is the profile of Sir M. Vishweshwaraya. Sir M. Vishweshwaraya was born on 15 September 1860 in Muddenahalli village of Chikballapur district. His parents were M. Srinivas Shastri and Venkata Lakshmamma. He studied at College of Engineering, Pune in 1883. He served as a Diwan of Mysore during the period of 1912 to 1918. Later, as an engineer, he designed floodgates and they were designed and installed under his guidance at Tigra Dam and Krishnarajasagara Dam in Mysore. He was honored with Bharat Ratna Award in 1955. He died on 12th April 1962 in Bangalore. This way, you have to write a profile in a systematic way, make small sentences and meaningful sentences, and take care of tenses when you are writing. Now let's go to second example. It is a profile about Bhimsen Joshi. Now write a paragraph using the clues given will be given in the question paper. I read just clues here: born, parents, occupation, active years, awards, died. These are the main clues. Basing on these, you have to write a profile. Now let us see how we have to write. This is the profile of Bhimsen Joshi. Bhimsen Joshi was born on 4th February 1922 in Gadag district of Karnataka. He was born to Gurraj Rao Joshi and Godavari Bai. Bhimsen Joshi was a leading Hindustani classical vocalist. He was active for about 6 decades, that is from 1941 to 2000. He was honored with Padma Shri in 1972, Padma Bhushana in 1985, Sangeet Academy Fellowship in 1998, Padma Vibhushana in 1999, and Bharat Ratna Award in 2008. He died on 24 January 2011 at the age of 88. Now this is the profile of Bhimsen Joshi. Now let's go to third example, how to write a profile. Generally 4 to 5 marks will be there in the question paper to write a profile. Now this is a profile of Vikram Sarabhai, a scientist. Now let me read only clues. See the bold words here: name, born, education, organization founded, awards, died. Profile of Vikram Sarabhai. This is the profile of Vikram Sarabhai. Vikram Sarabhai was born on August 12, 1919 in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. He was an Indian physicist and astronomer. He was educated in Gujarat Arts and Science College. Later he studied in Shet CN Vidyalaya, then St. John's College in the University of Cambridge. He is credited with founding of the prestigious Indian Space Research Organization. In brief, it is called as ISRO. ISRO helped development of space research and nuclear power in India. He was honored with Padma Bhushan in 1966 and the Padma Vibhushan Award in 1972. He died on 30th December 1971 at Trivandrum. This way, when you write a profile, you must follow chronology of events. Now let's go to the fourth example. It is a profile of Rakesh Sharma. Now let me read the profile, that is clues given here: birth, selection as a cosmonaut, great achievement, duration of flight, other members of the flight, his famous utterance as he saw India from the spaceship. These are the clues. Now profile of Rakesh Sharma. This is the profile of Rakesh Sharma, who was born on 13th June 1949. He was selected as a cosmonaut on September 20th, 1982. His greatest achievement was that he was one of the crew in the Russian rocket Soyuz T-11. The duration of the flight was 7 days. The other members of the flight were Commander Malusher and Flight Engineer G.M. Sheklov. During Rakesh Sharma's voyage in the rocket, upon seeing India from the space, he famously uttered as "Sare Jahan se Acha." When he was asked to explain about India, the words he uttered were "Sare Jahan se Acha." Now, let's go to profile of Rahul Dravid, a cricket player, famous Indian cricket player. Now let me read clues. Name, born, height, profession, batting, bowling, and awards he has got. Now please remember, so now he has retired from cricket field. Now, this is the profile of Rahul Dravid. Rahul Dravid was born on 11th January 1973 in Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Later he moved to Bangalore. His height is 5 feet 10 inches. Rahul Dravid is a professional cricketer. He is not only a right-handed batsman but also a right-arm off-spinner bowler. He represented Karnataka state and later went on to represent Indian national cricket team. He has been awarded as the Player of the Year in 2000, the Test Player of the Year award in 2004, and Bradman Oration Award in 2011 in Canberra. So this is the achievement of Rahul Dravid. Like this, you have to write profiles of a personality, and after writing, please check your capitalization, punctuation, spelling mistakes, etc. carefully. And please remember, when you are writing, so numbers are there. 1973, carefully you write, don't write 1974. Then you have to use years very carefully. Don't change the numbers, please. With this, we conclude profile writing episode. Thank you for watching. Please like and share the video. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get updates on new videos. Thank you once again.